Hello, friends. This is Jaspreet. Welcome to my channel, A Voyage into Crypto Metaverse. This is chapter 3. So before I dive in, none of this is financial advice. This is just for fun, entertainment, and education. So with that, let's just get straight in. So I'll talk about a few misconceptions about Bitcoin and crypto in this video. So first of all, is Bitcoin a Ponzi scheme? So what is a Ponzi scheme? A Ponzi scheme is a scheme where, a financial scheme where the early investors get a huge return, and the investors that come late, that join late, and then they lose all their money. So is it, are people investing in Bitcoin now going to lose their money? So probably not. It some people say that it's a Ponzi scheme, but I don't agree with them. It's not exactly a Ponzi scheme. It's the most beautiful innovation of the century. It's a huge innovation. It's a technological advancement in the financial world, and also it's you can compare it to either internet or the telephone. So the way internet worked, the way internet took off, and also the way internet transformed the world. So Bitcoin has the same potential. It can transform the way we use money, the way we transact. So that's what my viewpoint is. It's there have been a lot of huge returns on Bitcoin, but I believe it still has a lot of potential to go up, and it still has a lot of potential um, to grow and to for adoption and all that. So secondly, people say that Bitcoin is not backed by anything. So my view on that is it's an algorithm. It's the most secure network in the world at the moment by far. It's been up and running for the last almost 13 years, and it has never been hacked. So it's backed by that. It's backed by the security. It's backed by the network effects. So anyway, what is US dollar backed by, or what is any other currency backed by? Most of the currencies are backed by trust, I would say. The trust in the governments, the trust in the banks, but over and over, we have seen that this trust has been broken. So maybe not in US dollars or not in other major currencies, but you can ask the people of Venezuela, or you can ask the people of Zimbabwe what happened there with their dollars, or you can do some of your own research and find out what happened there. So it can happen to other currencies also. But anyways, if you look at the US dollar over a period long enough, maybe 20 years, you will see that its purchasing power is going down. And in comparison, Bitcoin has been going up, and its purchasing power has been increasing. So that's my take on it.
And a microsecond, whoop, like that.
This is another misconception. People say that Bitcoin will go to zero in a microsecond. So again, I will say that it can go to zero for sure. Anything can go to zero, so it can lose its value, but it has been up and running for the last 13 years. And I would say that there is a good chance that Bitcoin will survive and thrive. So let's ask Dr. Strange, what is the possibility of Bitcoin going to zero? Oh, maybe 1 in 14 million. I'll take that. And I agree with Dr. Strange here, sorry, because it's, as I said, it's been there for 13 years. It hasn't failed. So now the risk, the initial risk that was there, that, okay, it's an experiment, maybe it will not work, people will not adopt it. Those risks are no longer there, or maybe they are still there, but the probability of those risks materializing is much less now. So let's keep moving. So someone told me that people lost their life savings in crypto. it's very risky. The prices go up and the prices go down very, very quickly. So that is somewhat true. Prices go up. It's very volatile. It's not regulated. There are a lot of scams in crypto, but it's I can say that the people who lost their life savings, probably they didn't do their risk management properly. I'll talk more about risk management and strategies uh, which are not guaranteed to be safe, but they have a high chance of generating a good return rather than losing all of your money. So it's about risk management. If you trade with high leverage, if you trade with bad risk management, you can lose your money overnight. In other trades also, if you trade stocks, if you trade crypto, or you trade uh, other forex or whatever, so you can lose your money there as well. If you don't know trading, you don't know risk management, you don't know um, you can lose your money there as well. So it's not crypto and Bitcoin, they're not special. So they provide great opportunities, but it's at the same time you need to manage your risks. So let's go next. So the primary thing I would say is that invest what you can afford to lose. So and manage your risk. Take profit when you are in good profit. If you are making like you invested in Bitcoin, say at $20,000, and now it's $50,000, maybe you can take out your money and you can have the rest of it as in Bitcoin, and that Bitcoin you can try to hold forever. So there are strategies. I'll talk about those later in another video. But for now, I would say that Bitcoin and crypto has the potential to be the future of money. So you can see that we were using cash a few years back, maybe 50 years back, 30 years back, and then we moved on to using plastic money. And plastic money also is like at least 25 years old or so. So now the next era is going to be of the digital money, and Bitcoin has completely transformed, or it has the potential to transform how we transact and how we transact on the internet. So it's the future, and believe me, millennials are actually adopting it at a very fast rate, and it's actually it's going to be adopted no matter what. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Thank you.
bensound.com